Hey guys, Delopio. For this trick, make smoke coming out my fingers. So, no flint, but on the matchbox, 4.5. No! Yeah, it's wet. And put it on the sink. Put on cold water. And light it, edges. Okay. Okay. And you let it stay there for a while. Okay. It's good. There's stuff on there. Just zoom in. So it's like burnt.
Oh my god, the smoke's actually coming from your fingers.
See the smoke?
That was cool.
Can you see it?
I think so. Yep, you can see it on the video.
Look up, guys. Like you see a little bit more. So you get it in there.
No, I think the smoke's done. That was cool.
It worked. Cool. Yeah, it's enough for a video.